everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda Beauties. Today I'm going to be doing this 3-tier display stand using all Dollar Tree items, and I'll also be adding some Inspired Rae Dunn font to this beautiful glass bottle. So if you want to see how I do this, then please keep watching. But before then we get started, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also you will click that bell icon so then you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay beauties, let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using this beautiful glass bottle. I'll also be using these silver platters that Dollar Tree has. They have the square ones, the oval ones, and the round ones. So I'll be using all 3 of these silver platters. I'll also be using these glass candle stands. I'll also be using some Rust-Oleum American Accent 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. And this is in the Satin Blossom White color. I'll also be using some Super Glue Fix All adhesive. I'll also be using some of this Quick Cover contact paper, a black permanent marker, and this is a printout of the Rae Dunn inspired alphabet that I got off Google. Okay, that is it for the items that I'll be using, so let's go ahead and get started with this Dollar Tree DIY. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray paint this glass bottle and also these 2 candle holders. So I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and spray paint them, and then once that they're dry, I'll come back inside and then we'll continue with this project. Okay, my candle holders are dry already. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to line the inside of my platters. And I'm gonna be using the contact paper for that. I'm gonna start by tracing the inner portion of all of the pans. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just show you with one platter what I'm gonna do, and then I'll do the rest. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cutout at the center using my candle holder as my guide. The reason is because I can't glue the candle holder on top of the contact paper because it'll come off. It needs to be directly on the platter this way, but in order to do that, I need to cut out the center of where the base of the candle stand will be. So in order to do that, I'm gonna have to outline it, and then I'm gonna have to cut it out. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my pencil again. I'm gonna make sure it's pretty much centered. And now I'm ready to cut it. And this is what it looks like once it's been cut out, and now I'm ready to adhere it to the tray. Okay, now that I have put my liner down. I'm gonna go ahead and super glue my candle holder right in the center this way. And then I'm gonna work on the other two platters, and then I'll go ahead and put it all together. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the oval tray, and once I'm done with that one, then I'll go ahead and stack all three of them together. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some super glue at the top of this candle holder. I'm going to put the oval platter above it just like so. And so I'm just going to stack them. Now I'm also done with the round one. This is going to go at the very top this way, and I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm going to put some super glue here at the top, lay it, and then I'm also going to put some weight and let it dry for 24 hours. Okay, using my Rae Dunn Inspired alphabet, what I did is I went ahead and I traced the letters in the back that I was going to use to spell out farm, and I just used a pencil. So I just went over them in the back, and then I turned them around and I placed them over my glass bottle, and I traced each letter, and I spelled out the word farm. As you can see, the F, I just went over it, the A, the R, and the M. Now I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to go over the letters. And my glass bottle is complete with the word farm on it. And now it looks like a really cute little Rae Dunn inspired little vase. Okay, beauties, my 3-tier display stand is complete, and I really think it came out very, very nice. I love that it looks kind of vintage, and I loved it because I'm able to display like my magnolia cup and just some of the little items that I've gathered here and there. Or even just adding some seasonal floral just makes it look really pretty also. Well, beauties, that is it for this Dollar Tree DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.